The top 5 tech companies Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Google, Apple coincidentally are abbreviated as MMAGA or MAGA. MAGA revenues chart is perhaps one of the best visuals to illustrate the class struggles of the world in 2025, otherwise known as Technofeudalism, as coined by former Greek finance minister Yanis Varoufakis. As we have explained many times, an unknown but significant amount of free software and personal data of individual users have been used in the operations of MAGA, but the owners, namely free individual users and free software programmers, are not fairly rewarded. Omni Web proposes a solution in OmniHash and JSON decentralized JSON, where digital assets such as program source code and multimedia data can be tagged with hash codes representing ownerships, and owners may claim royalties from third-party users by tracking the usage of their digital assets using hash codes, thus completely reversing MAGA exploitation of individual user information and free software components. Reclaiming a fraction of profits from MAGA is only the first step of Omni Web. Ultimately, Omni Web aims to liberate humanity from techno-feudalism by establishing Metanarchy, a global decentralized governance system based on decentralized transactions in the metaverse. We are confident that Metanarchy can be achieved quite easily because of the 3 following factors. Firstly, as mentioned previously, a significant but unknown amount of free software components are being deployed everywhere to run the internet and social media platforms that are now ubiquitous today. Secondly, by extending free software methodologies to other domains of education, we may revolutionize existing education systems by computerizing syllabuses of specific subjects and simplifying them to make them more accessible to students, much like how they may learn various subjects by playing online games. Thirdly, free infinity multi-level marketing FIMM or Omni Way, which is clearly a pun to something way, is a close to zero-cost bootstrap mechanism to kickstart Omni Web, which induce users and programmers to sign up using OmniHash and JSON decentralized JSON, and recommend to their friends and associates to do the same. These 3 factors represent the past, future and present components of Omni Web, being the foundations of Metanarchy, as revolutions in education are necessary empower peoples of the world, and free infinity multi-level marketing or Omni Way is an unprecedented method to popularize the power of free software as well as any other brands or ideas. The title of this video is From MAGA to Metanarchy, Liberating Humanity from Techno-Feudalism with Omni Web. Technofeudalism is the current state of the world where the biggest technology companies exploit users' data and free software components without fairly rewarding the rightful owners. Omni Web aims to change this with OmniHash and JSON decentralized JSON by providing algorithms to tag ownerships on digital assets, so that users and programmers may claim royalties from third party for usage while maintaining the freedom of disclosure that ensures the integrity and transparency of free software. Further, by revolutionizing education using free software methodologies to empower a new generation of users and programmers, Metanarchy can be established, where a global governance system operates based on decentralized transactions in metaverse.